Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel Home Decor in 3 minutes. Today I am going to be talking about black bedroom decor ideas. Black is a bold and sophisticated color that can add a touch of luxury to any space. In this video I shall show you some of my favorite ways to decorate a bedroom with black. Black is a versatile color that can be paired with a variety of other colors. If you want to sleek and modern look, you could pair black with white, gray or metallics. Or if you want to or more dramatic look, you should pair black with red or emerald green. Here are a few specific ideas for decorating a bedroom with black. Use black as an accent color if you are not sure if you want to commit to a fully black bedroom. You should start by using black as an accent color. This could mean adding black yellows through blackens or artwork to a room that is mostly white or natural. Paint the wall black. If you are feeling bold, you could paint the wall black. This will create a dramatic and sophisticated look. Just be sure to add some pops of color with your padding and accessories to avoid making the room feel too dark. Add black furniture. Furniture is a way to add a touch of luxury to any bedroom. You could choose black bed frame, nightstand, dressers, or even a state measure. Use black textile. Black textile are a great way to add some depth and interest to our bedroom. You could choose black sheets, pillows, blankets, or curtains. Add black accessories. Accessories are a great way to finish off the look of black bedroom. You could choose black lamps, mirror artwork, or even plants. These are just a few of my favorite black bedroom decor ideas. I hope this give you some inspiration for decorating your own bedroom. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel Home Decor in 3 minutes for more home decor tips and ideas. And do not forget to leave a comments below and let me know that you think. Thanks for watching.